Welcome to the Amazon rainforest, often revered as the lungs of the earth. This vast and mysterious world is home to unparalleled biodiversity. Spanning millions of square miles, the Amazon is a tapestry of life, supporting countless species and complex ecosystems. Imagine a realm where vibrant hues of exotic birds contrast with the lush canopy, a place where life thrives in every corner. But the Amazon is more than just a spectacle of nature. It plays a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate. Its dense forests absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, sustaining life globally. As we embark on this journey, we'll uncover the secrets hidden within its depths. Join us as we delve into this world of wonder, revealing not just its beauty, but the urgency of conserving this essential ecosystem. In the heart of the Amazon, life flourishes with unparalleled diversity. This rainforest is home to countless species, each contributing to a vibrant tapestry of life. Here you find an astonishing array of plants and animals, many found nowhere else on Earth. From towering trees that form the canopy to the understory teeming with life, the Amazon's ecosystems are as unique as they are vital. This complex web of life relies on delicate interactions between flora and fauna to sustain the balance of nature. The Amazon's biodiversity is not just a marvel, but a critical component in maintaining the planet's health. Imagine the rustle of leaves as a troop of monkeys leap from branch to branch, or the sight of a rare orchid blooming high above the forest floor. These are glimpses into a world teeming with life. Yet the richness of the Amazon is under threat. As we explore its wonders, we must also consider our role in preserving this irreplaceable ecosystem. Join us as we delve deeper into the lives of the creatures that call the Amazon home and the challenges they face in an ever-changing world. In the heart of the Amazon, life flourishes with breathtaking diversity. This segment unveils the incredible array of wildlife that calls this rainforest home. Picture the elusive jaguar prowling silently through the dense foliage, a master of stealth and strength. Meanwhile, vibrant macaws flash their brilliant colors against the canopy, their calls echoing through the trees. Each creature, from the smallest insect to the mighty anaconda, plays a crucial role in this intricate web of life. The Amazon is more than just a collection of species. It's a symphony of interactions. Witness how capybaras and caimans coexist along the riverbanks, or how army ants forge paths that even jaguars respect. These interactions create a delicate balance, sustaining the ecosystem and fostering new life. Every species here is a vital thread in the ecological tapestry. As you delve deeper into this wilderness, you begin to understand its profound importance not just to the rainforest, but to our entire planet. As we transition to the next segment, we'll explore the challenges this majestic ecosystem faces. Discover the threats looming over the Amazon and what is being done to protect this irreplaceable treasure. As we delve deeper into the Amazon, we encounter challenges threatening its very existence. Despite its breathtaking beauty, the Amazon faces significant threats from deforestation and climate change. Each year, vast areas of this lush rainforest are cleared for agriculture and development, leading to habitat loss for countless species and contributing to global carbon emissions. Climate change further exacerbates these threats, altering weather patterns and causing unprecedented droughts and fires. These environmental challenges not only threaten the Amazon, but have far-reaching implications for our entire planet, affecting biodiversity, weather systems, and our global climate. The Amazon's health is intrinsically tied to the well-being of our world. As we witness these pressing issues, it becomes clear that urgent action is needed. The future of this irreplaceable ecosystem hangs in the balance, calling for immediate attention and global cooperation. This segment highlights the urgency of addressing these environmental threats, setting the stage for exploring the conservation efforts underway. Stay with us as we uncover the efforts being made to safeguard the Amazon and ensure its survival for generations to come. As we conclude our journey through the Amazon rainforest, we focus on the vital conservation efforts underway. Protecting this vast ecosystem requires a global commitment, as its health is crucial for the entire planet. From grassroots initiatives to international agreements, every effort counts in safeguarding the Amazon's rich biodiversity. Local communities work tirelessly, implementing sustainable practices and raising awareness about the rainforest's significance. Their dedication is a testament to the power of collective action. But it's not just up to them. Each of us has a role to play. Whether through supporting conservation organizations, advocating for sustainable policies, or simply educating ourselves and others, we can contribute to preserving this natural wonder. The Amazon is not just a distant marvel, it is a critical component of our global ecosystem. In this shared mission, cooperation is key. Countries, organizations, and individuals must come together to tackle the pressing challenges facing the Amazon. The stakes are high, but so are the rewards. A thriving Amazon means a healthier planet for future generations. Let us be inspired by the beauty and diversity we've explored, and let that inspiration drive us to protect and preserve it. Together, we can ensure that the secrets of the Amazon continue to be uncovered and cherished for years to come.